this website helps you make zooming presentations. So let me show you what it looks like. It zooms in into whatever you want it to zoom in. It's really easy to work with, and I recommend it. All you have to do is sign up in the page, and you don't have to pay for anything. I will be making a tutorial on this one, a really in-depth tutorial showing you how to use every single thing you see here, because it's a really great app. And so make sure you create one because it's free, and you'll see that the results are really good, so you should get that. And that's basically it for the 3 apps for presentations. Finally, we have 2 apps for blocking distractions. One that's called Self-Control. So what this is, it's an app that you just put an amount of time. So let's say 15 minutes is a minimum and 1 day is a maximum. So let's say I want to block Facebook for 15 minutes because I'm doing a test, a project, whatever, and I don't want Facebook to bother me, or I don't want to go in it, so I want it to be blocked. So for 15 minutes, I'm not going to be able to go on Facebook or anything I blocked. So it's a really great app for controlling yourself to not go into those sites while working. The other one is called Timeout Free. Timeout Free is free, and Self-Control is free, but you don't download it from the App Store. I will put a link for Self-Control down in the description. Timeout Free, you do download it from the App Store, and it's kind of like the same idea. So what you do is you go on top, and then you just go break, begin, micro break, or normal break. And what it does is that you set a time for break, and so you don't use your computer, so that you don't use your computer. So it will tell you, like, don't use your computer right now. So this is what it looks like. Timeout due now. So you can still use the programs, but it says don't use it. So it kind of tells you, like, get out of the computer and then come later. And so you can control the time, whatever you want to do with this. So after a while, it gets completely blocked. See, so 10 minutes and then just skip break, and then you can continue to normal. So those were all the applications that I found were necessary to have if you are a student, because they help you so much. So let me recap all the applications. So the 3 apps for studying and keeping track of homework were iProcrastinate, Smarter, iBook Author. Those 3 apps are free, except for Smarter. You can get the full version, and they're great for studying. The 3 best programs for presentations were Microsoft PowerPoint, Keynote, and Prezi. I don't have the price for them. Prezi is free. Keynote is $20 from the App Store, and they're great for making presentations. Best apps for blocking distractions were Self-Control and Timeout, and so those were really, really good to block distractions. And so I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and comment if you have any questions. Subscribe, and the links for these apps are below. I'll see you next time for the next tutorials on how to use each one of these apps separately.